Hi, this is the help video for PowerPoint Chapter 1, Pause and Practice 1. So I have the instructions from my SimNet SimBook up, and it shows that I need to download this marathon information, this PowerPoint. Now I'm not going to open that to use right now. At some point I'm going to pull that data into my presentation, but we do want to download it at this time. So it says open PowerPoint and click a blank presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and click and open up PowerPoint. Okay, so we're going to turn around and we're going to save this presentation. So we're going to do a file, save as. It's going to be your initials, PP. We're on PowerPoint Chapter 1 dash PowerPoint 1-3. We're going to save that somewhere. All right, so we now have our PowerPoint presentation, and what we want to do is, so I have my blank slide number 1, and I'm going to start typing the information. So type the following text into the placeholders. So the title, where it says click to add title, I'm going to click take the right steps. I'm going to click on the subtitle, train for a marathon. Okay, so there's my slide, and I want to add a new slide. So on the Home tab, in the Slides group, I just want to do New Slides, and we're going to do that twice. So we have a Slide 2 and a Slide 3. On Slide 2, we're going to add the text here. What is your goal? Question mark. And then down in the box, the main box, these are going to be bulleted items. So run the second half faster. And I hit enter. It's going to put in the next bullet. Beat a time you've run before. Enter, or enter, finish the marathon. Okay, so slide 3, I'm going to click over here in the slide navigation pane there, and I'm going to start slide 3. Start early to be ready. And then down in the box, I'm going to do begin 5 to 16 weeks in advance. Enter, gets the next bullet. Get a physical checkup. Enter, prepare gear for running. Enter, join a training group. Enter, enjoy camaraderie. Enter, be accountable. Enter, run 3 to 4 times a week. So now we have the title slide, the first slide of data, and the second slide. So on slide 3, it's all over here on the left side. So it would be nice to change it so there's 2 columns and that the data is balanced across the slide. So on this Home tab in the Slides group, we want to change the layout. So I click on the layout and I want to do the to content. So it puts 2 content boxes, but notice it doesn't actually adjust it. You have to manually adjust it. So we're going to select these last 4 bullets. So join a training group. We're going to cut it. So I'm going to do a Control X. I'm going to click over in the new right box and do a Control V. And it has now shifted. The second thing about this is this enjoy camaraderie and be accountable are sub-items or items that are included in showing a training group. So what I want to do is select these two, and there's a couple ways you can do this. You can, and I usually just do the tab key. You can do the tab key, or right here you can do increase list level. I'm just going to hit tab on my keyboard. So it indents that, and now those become subtopics to join a training group. All right, so at this point I'm going to save my file before I try to insert these slides from another presentation. So we want to display slide 3, and we're going to click the new slide, but this time we don't want this picture, we want the actual thing that says new slide, and we're going to do reuse slides. So this would be when you have slides in another presentation that you want to use in this presentation. You want to reuse them. So we're going to say reuse slides, and we're going to browse for our where they're at. So I'm sorry, right there I clicked browse, and then mine is in my downloads, and there's the marathon. So we're going to choose the marathon that we downloaded. It shows you the slides, and you can choose which of these slides you want to include. So we want practice runs. So you just click on it and look, it happens. So don't click unless you really mean it. Eat food, energy foods, and get running apparel. So basically everything but the title. Now, if you accidentally inserted the title, you would just need to delete it. So we're all done with reusing the slides, so we can close that up. And now we have slide 4, 5, and 6 that we're just pulling from somewhere else. We didn't have to type all that. So we pulled them in, but we want to rearrange it. So this is the order we want these to be. So take the right step. The second one is what is your goal? The third one, start early to be ready. The fourth one is get running apparel. So for me, that's number 6. We're going to move number 6 up to number 3 or number 4. Then we want eat energy food. So that's number 6 now. It's going to come up between 4 and 5. So the order is take the right step. What is your goal? Start early to be ready. Get running apparel. Eat energy food. And practice runs. So I'm going to do a save so I have that at that point. So now we're going to insert and duplicate a new slide. So let's click on slide 6, and we're going to insert a new slide that's going to be title only. So slide, new slide. We're going to do a title only. So slides, new slide, title only. So then we're going to click inside the container, mark it down, exclamation point. So we have that. Now we're going to duplicate it. So we're going to say on this, I'm going to right click and duplicate slide. Right click, duplicate slide. So we have 7, 8, and 9. Right now I'll say the same thing. So let's go to, I did this wrong. So 7 is wrong. So this should be look it up. 8 is mark it down. 9 is see you there, exclamation. So look it up, mark it down, see you there. Let's go to slide 1, and in our proofing, which is in the review proofing area, we're going to spell check. So performance is spelled wrong, so we're going to pick it and change it. Soreness is wrong, click it, change it. Banana, change it. Yogurt, change it. And we should be complete. So now we can save that, and we'll be ready for pause and practice number 2. All right, thank you.